Testing, testing, 1, 2. We are live. We are live. Good morning, fellas, my good friends. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. Good morning, Bruce Lee. Good morning, Ramirn, Fred Yeager, Timbo. Good morning, Jake Dell, Citizen Zero, Lawrence Harris, Jim J, Cost D, Best Guest Trading in the house, Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Steven, Jack Wiley, Captain Crunch, good morning. How we doing? Thor, Sean Trader, Raman, good morning. R5 Studios, Tanush, Dabda, good morning. John, good morning, John. Glacier Gains, Savannah, good morning. M. Susan, Avia, X155, good morning. Mick, uh-oh, John, we're already sharing links this morning. Uh-oh. We'll do it live. Yes, we will. Oh, Mendoza, good to see you. Good morning. And Aneljo, good morning. South America, let's go. Good morning, Clyde. Disciplined Futures Trader, good morning. Jim O, good morning. M. Susan, how we doing? All right, market, what's the plan today? What are we doing today? Looks like we are trying to get above VWAP here. Trying to get above VWAP. I want to see, kind of curious here. I don't know. Overnight session. So overnight session wasn't that eventful. I mean, we had some moves, but the overnight session has been very choppy, just kind of up and down. Haven't really picked a direction. We were all the way up at the 25,120s. That's the high of the overnight, and then the low is the 24,940s. So we kind of took out this. I don't know if I don't know what to expect today. Obviously, tomorrow morning is CPI, and CPI tomorrow morning is that is going to be interesting. That is going to move the market. So kind of interested to see what today is going to look like. Also, Apex back with their 80% off sale, and more importantly, most important, $85 lifetime activation fees. So, man, I don't know. Now that they have that sale and with the news tomorrow morning, I'm very, very tempted. I'm very tempted to try to pass. Man, I don't know if I should. Do I need more accounts? No, I don't. Would I like to have more? Sure, why not? I mean, I could try to pass 10 on one shot. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, big deal. Basically, I can reset. I don't know. I might do it. I haven't really decided yet. Gold. Oh yeah, gold. So I've been watching gold a lot more, guys. I've been watching gold, and actually, full discretion, I guess. I don't know. Some of you guys are probably not going to like this. You're probably not going to like this, but hey, it is what it is. So, you know the Topstep issues that they had the other day? Well, I don't know if they just gave everybody a reset or why. Like, but all of a sudden I checked and I had 5 resets. Yeah, they just gave me 5 resets. So I actually reset them yesterday, and I passed. I got halfway there yesterday and in the overnight session, trading gold in the overnight session. I passed those 5 Topstep XFAs. So we have Topstep XFAs again. So I don't know. I'm going to try and run it up, man. Yeah, I did they just send free resets to everybody? I'm actually glad that I checked because I forgot that my those Topstep would have rebuild like 3 days from now. I would have been so mad if those would have rebuild. I would have been so upset. So I'm thankful that I saw it because that way I didn't get rebuilt. Wow, look at this rip back up. All right, we are above the VWAP now. I don't know. I don't know. Let's wait and see. All right, we just looks like we're going higher. Hey, good morning, Max 90, Dantaloy Dan, Ace Undercover, good morning. Trust me, I'm not trading Topstep because I like them, but if I can take as much money from them as possible, trust me, I will do it. I will do it. And I might, just for fun, I might just use those XFAs and only trade gold. It's kind of a good idea. I might kind of use it. Maybe I really like trading gold. So I might try it. I might keep I'm gonna try to get to max payout in 5 days, and I don't care. I was long before the market opened and closed my position. Oh no, Citizen Zero. Yeah, go figure, right? That's always how it goes. If you would have kept your position, we'd probably be down 100 points, right? That's how it goes. Man. But hey, if I can take these Topsteps to a payout, might be able to get another payout before the end of the year if we can do it. Man, this thing is a ripper. She ripping, boys. Back testing this 80 level. This 80 level is a level that I've got marked. So let's see if it's going to hold or not. Are we going to rip right through it? It's starting to look like we're going to be looking at some long entries today, possibly. I'm okay with that. I don't care. Tesla, Netflix, everyone else messing, earning off. Yeah, John, I know. I usually don't like listen to too much noise like, oh, the market should be going lower, but me personally, I personally believe that the market is it's going to be very telling on what happens with CPI. If we have bad CPI numbers and the market just keeps going higher, then it's like, well, okay, I don't know. It just doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what the news is, or it just doesn't matter. Like market just keeps going higher. Market just keeps going higher, man. I'm not going to fight it. I know I am not going to fight it. You hope we get a pullback before we take out the overnight highs? Oh, I would sure think we would. Yep, this 80 level. We hit that 80 level and immediately pulling back 20 points. All right, let's wait. What time is it? 9:43. So we're about to close the 15-minute opening range here. By the way, John, I wanted to ask you, are you doing the 3-minute opening range trade still? Like, do you still take that trade? Hey, good morning, Design Knob. Good morning. Joom is in the building. All my money is in Nutty's bank account from me using all that NBT code. Scalping with Tom. I don't know that that works that way. But thank you. Thank you, Scalping with Tom. I do appreciate it. All right, pull them back. Whoa, right back up. Look at that. Just, I'm telling you what, this market is crazy. There she goes, right back up through the 80s. It always feels like when the market goes like this, and it kind of happened yesterday. We're so far away from these EMAs, like it feels like we're never gonna get a setup today. Like it feels like, oh man, I'm never getting a setup today. But look at yesterday. Yesterday I felt that way. When the market was all the way down here, I'm like, man, there's no way we're gonna get it. But sure enough, we did. We got two really good setups. Only took one. Man, I still feel like yesterday. By the way, look at this. Breaking out above the 100s. What? What? It's crazy. Look at this rip. What's gold? Oh, gold is ripping too. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. That's insane. Oh, that's crazy, man. This market is actually on something. How do I don't even know. I don't even know, man. It's crazy. We're just going straight up. Long gold on evals. Let's go, Black Coffee. Guys, I've been looking at gold and some of these setups, like basically I've been seriously debating about like maybe I should, and I think I'm gonna do it on my Topstep X account, like Topstep account. I'm gonna just trade gold. I'm gonna go, I don't know, 1 to 2 minis on gold. Whatever happens, happens, and take the same setups. And hey, it is what it is. We'll see what happens. What's the worst that can happen? What is the worst that can happen? Might as well try it. Hey, yep. Keep the FOMO in check, guys. I know I'm feeling it right now. Yeah, Citizen Zero. Just it's okay not to trade. It's okay not to take a trade. Okay, so yes, at the low at the moment was the high last 2 days was more or less as a guideline for support resistance. Okay, I see. Did buy just now, but only took a few bucks. No. Okay, so it was a buy this morning, the 3-minute opening range. And man, you would have, oh no, John, you would have made so much money. You would have made so much money on that. I remember at one point I really liked that 3-minute opening range trade. I do. I'm not even sure why I stopped taking that trade. I'm not sure why I stopped. I did a lot of back testing on it. It seemed pretty viable. It's just the volatility is what gets me. I have a hard time with the volatility. 60, a quick scalp. Yeah. Feel like if you get I think for me anyway, the opening range trade can really, like, you can get 100 points from it, but you do have to be, willing to sit through some drawdown. You gotta really kind of try to let the volatility work its way out, but it's difficult. It's hard to do that. But man, look at this rip. All right, we have almost taken out the highs of the overnight session. Overnight session highs are, what is that? 128s? Yeah, 128s are the highs of the overnight. So unbelievable. She wants to go, boys. This is insane. Scalping shorts, I see. Is that then how you kind of keep your bias, almost keep your bias for the day, John? As long as we stay above that 3-minute opening range high, you just kind of look for longs. I know you don't look for longs a lot, but 5-point scalps, high success rate. Yeah. I was actually talking with this about, I was talking with one of my friends that also does trading, and we were talking about, like, one thing I've noticed, I've watched, for example, like Trader Kane and Jade Cap, like some of the, some of the other trader, wow, there we go, making new highs over the overnight highs are taken out. But one thing I've noticed is contrarian traders, or people that are trading kind of, I wouldn't say against the trend, but like basically like they're kind of looking for highs and lows, and they're looking to go kind of against the trend, I would say. Those traders I've noticed, like, they have a lower win rate. Like, they have a pretty low win rate, but when they do have a winning trade, it's a massive trade. And for me, I can't, my mentality, I would much rather have a higher win rate with a smaller or a negative R to R. That, I just know that works better for me. Look at this move. She is going for it. Through the 150s now. Look at this 60-minute chart. This 170 area right here is definitely going to be an interesting level. Let's see if we get through it. Okay, kind of looking at the daily where we're near highs last couple days, looking for a pullback. Oh, okay, got it, John. Yep, makes sense. When it is, who else is having earnings? Like, when is Tesla earnings? When is Tesla earnings? What do you use for those checklists for the 30 trades challenge? Cuban coffee trader. So I just do it in Canva. So Canva is basically what I use to, like, make my thumbnails and stuff like that. So it's basically, that's what I use. Wait, last night was Tesla? What? Are you serious? We didn't even move that much. We didn't even move that much, really. Interesting. Okay, whatever. All right. Let's see. Are we going to rip right through that 160 level? Man, we're so far away from the EMA. It's going to be 2 hours before I get it set up. I wonder how accurate the CVS. Who knows, Carolina? Good morning, Carolina. Home sales in 6 minutes. Oh, that's right. We do have home sales in 6 minutes. Government shutdown is only happening so they don't have to report any. They don't have to report on unemployment numbers. Hey, who knows? It could be. You never know. Wow, we are breaking all the way up now, testing the 180s. I don't think I'm going to get it set up today, guys. Hey, RXHX, good morning. David Knight, good morning. Yeah, we're just going to have to sit and wait. I mean, I don't know what else to do. I'm quiet. I was reading something, Jose. This is crazy. I mean, we're going to get a pullback. It's got to happen. Don't worry. Don't you worry. Actually, you know what, guys? You know what? We're going to hang on. Give me 1 minute. All right, guys, we're going to do while I wait for the market to pull back, I've been wanting to do this I wanted to do this last week and we didn't get a chance because we didn't stream. So, we are going to do a special giveaway to the longer you're going to have to it's going to be sub only giveaways and you're going to have to be subbed for 3 months at least. We're going to be giving away 350K Lucid accounts. 350K Lucid accounts. We're going to do it like normal. Let me get my giveaway going here. Okay, giveaway is open. Giveaway is open. Enter. You can enter by !NBT. !NBT. Let's go. Long time sub giveaway. At least got to be subbed at least 3 months, and we're going to give away 350K Lucid accounts. I kept the good stuff for you guys. Might as well do the giveaway now because I'm not getting a setup anytime soon. So we might as well do it now. By the way, guys, thank you for using code NBT. I really do appreciate it. And it has been crazy on Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader, like my affiliates have literally more than doubled just since they gave me my NBT code. It's been crazy difference. Like I mean, that guy was making bank off of that code. Which I'm sure, yeah, I don't know if it is apples to apples, but definitely a big difference. It's been, I did not expect it to be that much difference. The other guys, NBTs, yes, NBT, basically my code works. I have NBT as my code for all prop firm, or basically for all my affiliates, my code is NBT, which is so much nicer than, I don't know, it's just cleaner that way. How much? I usually don't share my affiliates, but it's not crazy, but it's still, it's more than double of what it used to be. And it used to be about $2,000 a month on Take Profit Trader. It has definitely made a difference. All right, we're doing a giveaway, NBT, exclamation mark NBT. If you want to get entered, you do have to be a sub for at least 3 months. We're giving away Lucid 150K accounts. Gosh. Man, this market is very, very bullish right now. Oh, you know what? I forgot. All right. Well, the market at least is kind of starting to go sideways. So these EMAs are going to get some, are going to have a chance to catch up here. All right, guys, got 1 minute, 30 seconds left to enter the giveaway. Yeah, again, giving away 350K Lucid accounts. Exclamation mark NBT. Oh, come on. Hey, we're getting close here, folks. Time to pay attention. All right, I think the giveaway is officially over. Just hold tight, guys. We might get a setup here. I don't want to miss a setup. All right, moment of truth here. Let's see if we get an entry. Kind of want this candle to close red. Now, the question is this going to roll over or are we going to actually get a move back new highs? We shall find out. We'll do we'll pick the names right after if this setup happens or not. We'll do it. Wow, we're going lower. By setup, you mean a short? No, it would be a long setup. Nope. All right, my entry looks like my entry will be right here. Oh boy, man, I hate where my stop is here. All right, I'm going to go use the restroom. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Yeah. Looks like we got a fake out. We got ourselves a fake out. Man, how close was I to hitting my target? I had to be very close. I think I have my target, my first target, what, 149s? Oh, I mean, it's fine. We, I don't know. The setup was there. We took it. I don't think there was anything wrong with the trade, which is, it just didn't work. It just didn't work. All right, let me, I'm going to screenshot this just so I can get this saved. Okay, I'm going to take it off sub-only mode. We can, all right, we can do the giveaway. Let us do the giveaway. Let me look. Let me see here. Do we have... All right, hang on. Let me get my... Let's get the duck race going. Okay. Like right here is... this is off the 15-minute opening range high, but I'm not going to take it. We're not taking it, so... Okay, let's pick 15 winners, fellas. Again, this is for the chance. The giveaway is 150K Lucid accounts, 3 of them. So let us get started here. Let me get my names ready. Okay, here we go. First name is gonna be... Oh, look at that! Timbo Trader, first name in the race. Congratulations, Timbo. Good luck. Next name. Oh, let's go. Fred Yeager. Let's go, Fred. All right, we got 2 OGs. There we go. Next name. Tess 3222. Let's go. Good luck. Congratulations. Here we go. Next name, Rick Navarez 8820. Congratulations and good luck. Next name, JRC209. Good luck. Next name, Gavin Hanna. Gavin Hanna. Good luck. I want to see what this... Man, this thing might... I'm kind of curious what we do here, but... I wish I could have had my stop below this 15-minute opening range, but it was just too much. Wow, it's gonna rip now. All right, let's keep going. All right, Gavin Hanna, good luck. Next name is DHQ305. DHQ305. Good luck. Next name, Tony G-Force. Tony G-Force. Good luck. Here's the next one. Hey, Clarity Trader. Good luck, Clarity Trader. Love to see it. Hey, Citizen Zero in the duck race. Good luck, Citizen Zero. All right, now we've got to get rid of 5 names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, this market's going to annoy me today. All right, here we go. Next name is going to be Kevin. Kevin G. Kevin G 3582. Here we go. Next name, Victor Hansen Pro. Good luck. Next name, FF Sinatra. Good luck to you. Here we go. 2 more names. Mr. I am Iron. Mr. I am Iron. All right, here's the next name. Oh, last name to be picked is Ace Undercover. All right, let's go. Ace Undercover. All right, guys, we have the names. Are we ready to do the duck race? Man, this market annoys me. Hey, I guess that's just how it goes sometimes. We can't win them all. We can't win them all, but man, I don't know how to really do this because this is a good entry. I don't know. I probably should have just had my stop below this level. I probably should have put it below this. The problem with that is that's an additional 20 points. I don't know. I hate that big of a stop loss. I hate that big of a stop loss, though. Anyway, it is what it is. We can't win them all. Okay, let's do the duck race, fellas. Let's do it. Let's do this. Actually, you know what? Let's do the duck race on this screen. Let's do the duck race here. All right, boys. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready? Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. And they're off. All right, here we go. All right, we've got some well-known people in the chat. We've got Timbo Trader at the bottom of your screen. Victor Hansen Pro taking the early lead. We got Tony G-Force. We've got Clarity Trader. And here comes Ace Undercover. Ace Undercover taking the early lead. And he continues to pull ahead. Now a half a length of lead on the field. Clarity Trader in second. We've got Fred Yeager, Timbo Trader at the bottom of your screen. We've got Citizen Zero in the middle of the pack. Kevin G also in close second. Now here comes Timbo. Timbo Trader wants to compete. Ace Undercover, Timbo Trader neck and neck. Here comes Victor Hansen. And he's trying to challenge Ace Undercover. The question's going to be, does Ace Undercover have enough stamina to keep this up? We have 45 seconds to go. Here comes Mr. I Am Iron. I Am Iron now takes the lead, and he's putting on speed. 35 seconds to go. We've got Mr. I Am with a half a length of lead. Ace Undercover, Victor Hansen close behind, and here comes Citizen Zero, FF Sinatra. They are trying to make a move. Here we go. We've got 20 seconds to go. Who's it going to be? 15 seconds. Mr. I am now losing out. Here comes Ace Undercover. Fred Yeager. Fred Yeager's in the lead. Can he hold? Fred Yeager. Oh no, Fred Yeager's. Here comes Citizen Zero. Citizen Zero pushes ahead and takes the win. Wow. Citizen Zero came out of nowhere and took the lead. He was pacing himself all race long. Nicely done, Citizen Zero. All right, now for the moment of truth. Who is it gonna be? The top 3 get the prize. All right, here we go, guys. Oh, and there it is. Oh, Kevin G. Oh, Kevin G, you were so close. You were so close. But rounding out the top 3 is FFS Sinatra. Then in second place, Rick Navarre. And in first place, like we saw, Citizen Zero. Very nicely done, fellas. Thanks for playing. And let me get my email in the chat. Make sure you guys... Here we go. All right. Right there is my email, guys. For those of you that won first, second, and third place only, please screenshot your username, send me an email, and I will get you the code for the 150K Lucid accounts. Thank you. Dove Gordon. Yeah, I was trolling. Shaved my head, the same kid for weeks will run out, calling me Howie Mandel. That's too funny. All right, market. Man. All right, I got to trade. I got to document my trade here. All right, let me... I'm trying to debate if we come back and test this 21 EMA. I don't have it set up here. No, I don't. Okay, so that was a long setup that failed. That was trade number 10, trade 10 of 30. And we had a 131 stop at 132 point stop. Okay, hang on. All right, give me a minute, guys. I'm trying to document my trade here. Hang on. Okay. And there she goes, making new highs. I'm getting... All right, let's download this. Okay, trade number 10 of 30 documented, and we are good to go. I mean, it was a good entry. It was a good trade setup. It just didn't work. So we can't be upset about that. We cannot be upset about that. Okay, let me... Here we go. Okay, there we go. All right, everybody should have, all three of you guys should have the email. All you guys should have the code for the 150K Lucid test account. So congratulations again. Thanks for playing. Very nice. Congratulations. All right, now. All right, I mean, we still have an uptrend now, so we can actually take a trade here if we retest this 21 EMA. Man, what a nice move higher. How, I don't know how I redo this, to be honest. Hey, Debda, you're welcome. Contemplate taking your profit yet? Hey, you're welcome, FF Sinatra. You are welcome. Yeah, I did almost say that, Almighty. All right, we're getting a pullback here. We are getting a pullback. All right, I got to pay attention here. We have a potential setup. All right, getting a little bit. I mean, I'm not like this would be one instance where a setup would not. Basically, my entry would have to be right at the highs of the day. That's a difficult trade to take. This is one of those where you can't really get a good entry on it. I mean, you could technically, like, I will bypass those. I don't want to take the trades when we're right at basically if my entry is right at the highs, then I'm not taking it. We live near each other. We could go as you can go as Beavis and Butthead. I would pay to see that. I would pay to see that. This thing gonna just keep ripping now. Man, this thing gonna go. Let's see if we take out the 200s. Looks like it will. Oh, sorry guys. I'm trying to get stuff. Got too much going on here trying to get stuff done for the move to Florida. And all right. Trying to coordinate deliveries to the Florida home while we're not there is not ideal. But we're getting there. All right, market. We're getting another pullback here. Oh, man. Are we going to get another, potentially getting another setup here? All right. Man, this makes me nervous taking a long here, but it's one of those things where we got to take the trade if it's there. I will only take 2 losses per day, though. 2 losses will be my max. So, just FYI, we will take one more trade. And if it's a loss, we shut her down for the day. I actually thought about doing the challenge where you only take 1 trade per day. Does anyone of you do that? I'll help move items if I need to earn my key. Sure. Does the sound keep cutting out, or is that my end? Testing. I just wasn't talking there for a minute. All right, we got to pay attention here. All right, we might not get this set up, but if we do, we got to take it. I mean, I guess we could try to target up here, but That'll be a moving, it'll be a moving target. All right, if we make lows below this 142, then we got to get out of this. This is no longer valid. All right, are we going to get in it? Are we going to get triggered here or not? Here we go. And we're in, folks. No. Can we get a move higher, please? Oh, I'm tired. All right, it's time for a break. I'll be back, guys. You know the drill. Hey, buddy, let's go. All right, we are now what do we do here? What do we do here? Of course, as soon as I get back, we rip lower. Why? Why are you like this, market? That's so rude. I'm debating about if I want to make my stop. Do I want to move my stop? Man, I hate this. You know what? I'm going to move my stop right here. We're going to move our stop right here, and hopefully we can get a rip higher here. I don't feel like I've got a really good plan for my stops yet, but we're just going to do the best we can. We just got to, I guess we got to be okay with taking a break-even trade is basically what it amounts to. Come on, market. Rip it. They bang their head on the fib line and the I see. I mean, it's, you know what? I'm going to go on another walk. I need to go. I need to step away. I need to let this trade work. I'll be back in 5 minutes. And we're back. Hey, I'm just going to be patient. I'm just going to try not to look at my screen. Let's just pretend like we're not in a trade. Oh, we're going to get stopped out now anyway. So, of course, as soon as I get back in here, immediately we will go lower. It never fails. It never fails. Yeah, we're getting stopped. It's fine. I don't know. We just could not get a move higher. I guess it is what it is. A break-even trade. Pretty much a break-even trade. Hey, Phidias, how we doing? All right, we're back. We're back. Now I can't take another entry. We can't take another entry because we failed to make new highs on this move. So we just need to wait. We just need to wait. Waiting is sometimes the hardest part. But hey, you know what? We followed our strategy and we let the trade work. Okay, I think we had a good setup. Yep. Okay, let me. Okay. Trade number 11 of 30 officially in the book. You have an EMA 31. I see. Yeah. Hey, Trucker R. When you were Amish, how much did you know about the current events and stuff outside the Amish family? Oh, we were pretty informed, I would say. We still got the newspaper. We relied a lot on the daily newspaper for basically staying up to date with world events and local events. But yeah, the daily newspaper was a big deal. Growing up Amish, like the kids, us kids, we would always fight over the comics. We would always fight and read the comics, and then of course my dad would be reading the headlines and stuff like that. But yeah, that's basically how that's how we stayed in the loop, I guess. Hey, and we're going lower. Oh, I remember. Oh, John, Dear Abby. I completely forgot about Dear Abby. But oh, you better believe it. My mom and dad would always read Dear Abby. Oh, that was good stuff, man. Dear Abby. Isn't that, man, that's funny that you say that. I literally forgot. But man, that brings back some memories. Dear Abby. I like it. Good good times, man. Oh, that's good. That's good stuff. It was like Reddit before Reddit. Yeah, John, that definitely gives away your age. It was good stuff. I always wondered how much of that stuff was actually like true, or did they just make up stuff and put it in there? Dr. Ruth. Oh man. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Yes, Carolina. Oh my goodness, I forgot about Reader's Digest. Oh, so yes, like magazines, like Outdoor Life. Do you guys remember that? Outdoor Life was I mean, oh man, this brings back so many memories. So Outdoor Life, Reader's Digest, Family Life. I don't know if any one of you remember Family Life. But those were, oh, we would read those magazines. And obviously reading books was a huge part of like just now, like there was, yeah, that was I loved reading. I still do. Yep, good old Outdoor Life. Oh man, I forgot about that. I was born in South Korea and they had that translated into Korean. Oh, really, Dad? That's impressive. That's awesome. Yeah, man, isn't that crazy? That is crazy how times just keep moving on. Kind of a thing of the past now. Was I allowed to read the Mad magazine? No, I would not. No, no, that would not be allowed. National Geographic was also a great magazine. Yes, yes. Oh man. Remember, do you guys remember in school, like in elementary school, you had like you tried to sell books, not books, but you sold magazines. Like you would go door to door and sell magazine subscriptions to like make money for the school. Do you guys remember that? Or was that only like in our local area that we would do it? Hey, boys. Okay, getting a move here. Let's see if we make new highs. If we make new highs here, we can potentially look at maybe we might get another entry here. I'm starting to lean toward we might shut it down. We might shut her down. But you know what's weird about this 30 trade challenge? I don't know, maybe it's just me. But this red day, like a red day like this, is so much easier to walk away from when I know I followed my trading strategy. I followed my plan. It's a lot easier to walk away from it, or it's a lot easier to accept it, I guess I should say. I gotta say, guys, this 30 trade challenge might just completely change me on how I trade. I like it so much. So much more. It's just way less anxiety. Way less anxiety. I just feel way better about, hey, I don't know how to explain. Sometimes I felt like in the past, I would have to like manufacture a trade setup. Almost part of it just for entertainment purposes. And also part of it, like I'm talking like boredom trades where I would be more just, hey, I'm kind of bored. Surely I can find a setup somewhere. And accepting those losses are way harder. $30 trades a week? No, we're just Cal Tuck. I'm basically just doing 30 trade challenge where for 30 trades, I'm going to try my very, very best to only take my specific strategy, only this setup, and that's it. I don't know about way less anxiety or walking away multiple times while in trades. Okay, it's less. The reason I walk away though, Camber trades, isn't so much that I haven't. Yeah, okay, I do have some anxiety, yes. But the reason I walk away is so that I don't micromanage my position. It's basically so I let my trade work. It's the one thing I know will work is if I just step away. Like If my mouse is, if my hand is here and my mouse is here, it takes one little click and I can, anyway, I don't know. I just like the idea. I just have to walk away. Do a trade. Hey, I appreciate it, Tate. A change for the better. I do agree. I did micromanage the first trade and not write that in the journal. I did not micromanage it. What do you mean? Micromanage the first trade? This one right here? Oh, you mean the, oh yeah, you're right. You mean the first trade I ever took on this challenge? Yes. Yeah, you're talking about that one. Was it that one or the next one? I'm not even sure. You pushed the original first take profit. What? I'm not sure what you mean, scalping with Tom. What? I'm not sure what you mean. I'm not sure what you mean. So just so to clarify, when I trade like this bracket order that comes up when I enter the trade, that is just a default template, and I will change my target stop loss right after my entry. I will change that based off of support, whatever. But after that is where unless once my first target hits, then I might trail my stop. But other than that, I don't think I did. Unless I'm missing something. Okay, yeah, scalping with Tom. Yeah, that's fine. That's not micromanaging it. That was just me trying to determine where I want my stop, where I want my first take profit, and then letting it ride. Hey, good luck, Citizen Zero. Good luck. If red don't blow it up, tomorrow's another day. Exactly. Did I connect Apex and My Fund of Future Tradeovate with Affordable or with Rhythmic? All of it is connected with a Tradeovate. Prop trading. All of my accounts are Tradeovate accounts. We built jumps for BMX, Evil Knievel. That sounds like fun. All right. I mean, let's see. Are we going to make new highs here? Hey, prop trading Deutsch. No problem. Hey, Scalping with Tom, you're also doing the 30 trades. Let's go. That's awesome, Scalping with Tom. Good luck, man. That's awesome. Whoa, there she goes, making new highs now. Interesting. And there are the 200s. All right, well, Captain Garage, that's funny. Hey. All right. We breached the 200s. All right, let's see. Are we just ripping right through the 200s the way this is looking? Do you usually like to trade level to level? Oh, you're talking 800. Day Traders has trade of 8 too. I think they do. I think so. Right now, does anyone use Funded Next? They're bugging me so hard. They're bugging me so hard to be an affiliate. Funded Next is. I'm tempted to try them out. I don't know. I've heard mixed reviews. Heard mixed reviews on Funded Next. They've been. This one guy literally won't leave me alone. He keeps bugging me, and I'm like, well, maybe I'll try it. I actually went on and tried to see. The Halloween special will be the best ever. Oh, really, Niles? Yeah, they're trying to get me on board. So, because that's what they told me. They said they have an awesome promotion for Halloween and they want to have me on as an affiliate by then, but I don't know. I feel like I'm not sure. How much we talking? It's just an affiliate deal, so it's not like I'm actually getting I'm only getting a percentage of whatever someone uses my code, I get 12%, I think. But nothing outside of that. I don't get it's not like a retainer or anything like that. None of my affiliate deals are. My affiliate deals are all just monthly, a certain percentage, and that's it. I don't like doing the set amount per month as a retainer almost because I want my affiliate to be open-ended where I can cut relationships however I want. If I want, I can do it. Whoa, big pullback here. Big pullback off of that 200 level. Wow. Interesting indeed. What is going on here, boys? What are we doing? She ripping lower. That's a 40-point drop. Halloween, am I going as Nutty Bar from Futures for your Futures channel? No, I'm not, John. Definitely not. Ask for 15% if you go with Fun and X. All right, I will. Sounds good to me, Niles. Tell them to give you 12 free accounts and give them to the duck race losers. I see what you're doing, Kevin G. I see what you're doing. I'm sure I can get some free accounts to give away. I'm sure I could probably do that. Negotiate something. All right, getting a little bit of a bounce here off the 160s. I mean, technically, if we test this 21 EMA on the 5 minute, I guess we would have an entry. Give them to those who don't make the duck race. Hey, we should do a reverse duck race once. Do a reverse duck race where the bottom 3 will be the winners. Yeah, we want 18,000 free accounts. I'm willing to be a test dummy. You would win every time, John. Special talent. You have a special talent. Can I see? Oh, Tradeify just announced. Hang on, let's check something here. Can we see how many people are on my team? Maybe. By the way, guys, for those of you that are new or haven't heard, Tradeify is doing a Grand Cup. So if you've already joined, make sure you go to your Grand Cup and dashboard. And then here is a drop down of the different teams that you can join. Obviously, NBT team, I'm a little bit biased, but I feel like that's going to be the best team. So make sure you join team. Make sure you join a team. There are benefits. No way, John. Pine Tree did a mod race. You were 8th out of 8. I think you need to work out more, John. I think you need to work out. Something ain't right. Do we have to trade like me? Definitely not. No, you can trade however you want to trade. This starts Monday in a week. November 2nd is when this all starts. So this should be fun. $1 million in rewards, and it's free to enter if you have an account. Free to enter if you have an account, and currently Tradeify is offering a 40% discount with code NBT, so you might as well get an account, because if you don't have an active account, then it costs you $35 to enter. So you might as well get an account and enter for free, and then at least you have an eval. Hey, maybe you can pass it and get a payout, whatever. But it's almost, it makes sense to do it. If I'm taking more trades or if I'm done for the day, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. This could give me another setup here. I will take another trade if a good setup comes. I will take another trade, but we're kind of entering that time of day where usually doesn't go too well. I'm trying to look. So the knockouts. I want to see, where can I see? Whoa, look at that drop. Yeah, it's time to, I think it might be time to call it a day here. This is starting to look kind of dumpy. Kind of looking dumpy here, folks. If we lose 110, the bears are back ace undercover. I feel like we need to get down below this 15-minute opening range high. We need to get down below this 80 level. And if we get below the 80 level, I think we could go quite a bit lower. But gold is just going sideways here, which I am done. I'm done trading my Topstep accounts for the day. And this might just be a fake out. We might rip here. Man, could I take this entry? I don't know. Ugh. I'm not a big fan of that. I'm not gonna take it. That big of a wick. I don't know. I'm kind of starting to feel like now might be an okay time to call it. The only thing I kind of hesitate is the afternoon session. We could get a good setup on the afternoon session. Scalping with Tom. You're not going to believe it. My short work, go away to use the bathroom, come back, and it got out with profit. Let's go, Dabda. I love it. I love it. Oh, that's awesome. Isn't that a great feeling, Dabda? If you step away, you come back, you let your trade work, and you come back and it's perfect. Look at the hour chart. We just bounced off the 9 EMA. I don't think I have the hour chart 9 EMA on it. I'll add it here. I don't care. Oh, I see that. Wow, look at that rip. Interesting. Hey, Captain Crunch, nice. Hey, Volatile Futures, how we doing? Still think like tomorrow's CPI, that is going to be the key. Kind of want to see how this plays out. Everyone talks about what to look for an entry, 1 hour, 2 hour, but I think entry and exit point based on the chart is the most important skill to get. I mean, yeah, it's definitely very important. Does CPI even come out with a shutdown? Yes, RX, it does. They are going to announce in CPI numbers are coming out tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, 8:30. I still need to decide if I want to pass. I might do it. I might do it. I might try I might pass. I might try to pass some Apex accounts. Been going back and forth on try if I want to do it or not, but I don't know. Feel like it's worth it. Man, wow, this market is crazy. We are going right back up. 80-point pullback. No problemo. We just go back up higher. Unreal. Oh, really? The latest Ninja, you find that to be buggy? I see. Wow, look at that. A little bit of FOMO there, but I don't know. Could it? I mean, I don't know how I feel about entries like this. Technically below this 21 EMA. So it's borderline. He could have probably justified it, but wow. All right. Well, I think I'm going to call it. I'm going to monitor today. I'm going to monitor a little bit like this afternoon. 50% for the second month Apex is no bueno. I mean, just cancel the accounts. His words are truth. I mean, the chance, I never really, the second month of Apex isn't, just cancel it. You know they're going to have a sale again next month, or the chances are highly likely. So, I mean, I'm going to wait. There is a chance, there is a chance in the afternoon session that I take one more trade, and I'm okay with that. But if it's a good setup and it fits, it's, within the parameters, then I might take it, but definitely not taking more than one, only one more loss. That's it. Today was one of those days where we just did not get a follow through. We had a really good entry here and just never even could get to my first target. Just, I don't know. This is one of those where it just sucks because we went lower, got stopped out, and then we went higher to my target. That's always annoying, but it is what it is. This trade also good entry. We at least hit our first target, and then we just never could get it going. And now we're just ripping it. Oh, there she goes. New highs through the 200s. I don't know. I guess it's crazy. We are just going to go higher. All right, I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it here. And we'll be back tomorrow. We will be back tomorrow. Take care, everybody. Appreciate all the support. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. And we will be back tomorrow. Take care and God bless.